Well, good morning, everybody. John Sommers here, and today our travels have brought us to Smooth Solutions at 5839 Main Street in Williamsville. We've been here a number of times before, so that means the fellow I'm going to introduce you to is like an old friend to us, Dr. Jack Bertolino. Doctor, how are you, my friend?
I'm doing really good. How are you?
I have too many things in my hands to shake hands with you.
That's okay.
It's good to see you. Now, here at Smooth Solutions, we know that you do everything from Botox to liposculpturing. But today, we're going to kind of focus on anti-aging. I like that.
Yes. This is a new cutting-edge procedure that we've started to advertise in the Western New York area. And what we're basically going to do is we're going to talk about bioidentical hormone replacement. And then I'm going to sort of segue into a seminar that I'm going to prepare for the 24th of June, which is going to encompass more than that, and what my vision is for my anti-aging program here in Western New York.
I want to tell everybody watching, please pay attention near the end of the segment. Watch the whole thing. But near the end, we're going to talk to you about this seminar that I don't think anybody's going to want to miss.
I think it'll be very cutting edge, and I think it is something that most people, as you say, don't want to miss. I can tell you that this room is specifically set up for our lipo contour.
Right.
And we do it very effectively with Vaser ultrasound and smart lipo laser, which you can't see. So we have a combination therapy to contour just about any part of your body from your neck to your ankles. Do it effectively with no anesthesia, and you could probably go to work the next day.
Oh, that's what people want to hear.
The other part of this is that I use this room also because of its clean zone to do this small procedure for bioidentical hormones.
Okay. All right, I'm going to let you start talking about what we're looking at here, because these are the necessary tools and the product itself. Oh, I love blue for guys, pink for girls.
Exactly. What we have here are individual autoclaved pellets. Again, made from soy product and yam. And this is a 100 milligram autoclaved testosterone pellet, blue for boys, and a 25 milligram estrogen pellet, pink for girls.
I want to explain what autoclave means to people that might not know that.
Autoclaving means that we're sterilizing each thing we do so that when we implant, we're implanting in the fatty part of the buttock.
Right.
So, when we do this, we do it in a very clean procedure using a small trocar device. So if you could imagine that, let's say your symptoms as a woman brought you here, you have hot flashes, vaginal dryness, hair loss, irritability, insomnia. We go over your symptoms, we look at your medical history, and then we look at your blood test. So let's say you need 12.5 milligrams of estradiol, which is natural. And your testosterone as a woman is low and you're fatigued. So you might need 125 milligrams of testosterone. Enough to get you where you need to be, but not enough to cause acne or facial hair.
Okay.
So we would have our pellets, depending on what we needed, in an autoclaved, sterile environment, this is only a for show right now. The pellets would be in there. They would be then placed in this device. And how we do it is with this trocar in a clean area of the buttocks. What we're doing is making a small stab with a scalpel, going into the fat layer and over, and then putting our pellets in this device.
Right.
And slowly implanting them. Now, you would have already had a shot of lidocaine and been anesthetized as far as the skin goes.
Okay.
Now, just to let you know, how would you know where you are as far as the numbers go? Women, 3 weeks, need a repeat blood test. Maybe you need a booster. We don't know that yet. Men, 6 weeks. And men for testosterone usually need more pellets than women do. So, once we know where you are, we can boost you. We can keep you at a steady state where you're not bouncing all over the place. We can keep you at that steady state for 4 full months until you have that decline again, because the pellet would have run its course. And then we boost you over the course of the year and keep your levels up. The truth is, there is no fountain of youth. But if we can keep our hormones, and I've done this myself, at the stage we were when we were 25 years old, we can keep heart, we can keep kidney, we can keep bone, and we can keep brain healthy. This is an important thing because aging is totally based on hormones. This has not been brought out, but in the national literature, you will see that it's something that people across the country do know about.
Folks, you're going to find out a lot more about this at the seminar. It's June 24th. From when to when?
It will be June 24th. Across the street from my facility. The address will be shown, and it will be from 6 to 8. It will encompass talking to everything from strength training, nutraceuticals, pharmaceutical grade type antioxidant therapy, our transitions modification program that will help people through their weight loss management, and that will also segue into, again, hormone replacement, and we will put this under a complete anti-aging umbrella, including colonic and liver detoxification.
All right, sounds to me like the solution to a lot of people's problems is Smooth Solutions.
Well, at Smooth Solutions, as my jingle goes, we not only want you to look good, we want you to feel good as well.
Doctor, thanks for being with us today.
Well, thank you,
we
John.
appreciate it. You stay there, folks. More of AM is on the way.
Move closer to your world, my friend. Take a little bit of time.
Alrighty, everybody, the free seminar is coming up Wednesday, June 24th from 6 to 8 p.m. in the Caldwell building right across the street from Smooth Solutions at 5820 Main Street in Williamsville. Please register ahead. Give them a call at 633-6100. And this preceding segment has been brought to you by Smooth Solutions.
Don't turn away, my friend, tomorrow's ours.